Welcome to the channel Needy Tech. Subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.
We are going to see how to record a screen, and we will be seeing demo and how to perform it. So we are going to your Chrome browser and we will type your screencast o-matic download. So from this link we have to go first link and click on the first link. It will be taking to a new page, screencast o-matic download, and from here you can see that the interface and capture, create and share. There are various tabs that provide the various features, and this will be the same interface will be looking while if we download it, and it will be supporting Windows, Macs and OS. So we have to click on record for free. So it will take to the new page and we have to click on the launch free recorder. It will be start downloading the exe file, and it will be taking few minutes. So this will be helping you various, for example online teaching, and here you can perform the run operation. It will be start downloading. It is useful very many things, for example online teaching, or if we want to share something with others, we can record it and share it. It will be very helpful in various tasks. So let us see how my good video is going to be. Mainly I will be making the videos on screencast. Finally we have completed the download. Now we have to open it. You can upgrade this recorder. So this will be the interface. So finally this is how we can perform the recording. You can stretch the screen as you much like, and there is a record button as you can see, and there is a mic also. You can use the mic for audio while recording the videos. There are various features, and there is screen, and for webcam also, webcam and both you can perform both if you have webcam. And this is how we will be performing the recording. And it is very useful that you can stretch it along various sides. So let us start with taking a demo of this version, and let's start with the demo. Press on this record button and it will be starting the countdown. If you do so, let us start. I will be taking that new page which we have from inserted while introduction. So we will be starting record and it will be same countdown like this. Today we will see how to record a screen and we'll perform a demo. This is the way you can perform the screen recording, and this is the demo. For stopping, you will just click on the stop button and you have to click on done. So you have to upload it, save and upload it. It will be asked various tabs. So this is the recorded video, and this will, you can split the screen if you don't want that. Here from directly you can upload it from the YouTube. It provide various features